we're in Saas Fee. We just showed up to the spot. Long travel to get here, but yeah, this is the first trip of the season, and I guess we're just trying to ease into it and I don't know, actually ski this season. That's the goal. So, new pair of skis, sticking them up, and check it out. Park is up that gondola about an hour, like total to get up there. From here to there, hour 10. And yeah, psyched to be in Switzerland. Yeah, I was getting sketchy on the lip, so I want to call it before I taco right into the wall. Right here is the real art. I mean, I'm very, very proud. That's Kubo. That's my dog, a bird, and of course more mountains. So, you know, send me your boots and I'll design them for you. Yeah, I mean, pretty much just watch surf videos. So, I don't know. I just think it's the style. It's it's more than just the sport. It's your life, which skiing is to me, and it feels like, you know, to have your whole life centered around like that is pretty insane. So, yeah, and I just think it's like creativity. Or each surfer has their own take on like the wave, and I think that's super cool, you know. And I think like the way they think about it, you know, where like you don't need to do the most technical thing on a wave, but you can still make the wave look insane. Like, I don't know, just like I like the way that there's like different styles and approaches to it, and I just think like the filmmaking and the visuals and the ideas are so creative and cool. So it's just like, I think it's just inspiring and something that I think like skiing could definitely use a little bit more of.